Good morning, Junior Rangers. Now, most people think Gondwana is special because of all the animals that we have on the reserve, which is true, but there is another reason that makes Gondwana so special, and it's the same reason why all these animals can be here in the first place, and that reason is the plants. So today we're going to be making some bookmarks using flowers I'm going to be using from the reserve. You can use flowers from your garden. Remember, when picking flowers, you need to remember 3 very important rules. Rule 1, never pick endangered or rare plant species. Rule 2, look out for any plant security systems like thorns. Rule 3, do not pick all the flowers. The purpose of a plant's flower is seeds so that they can continue producing baby plants. And make sure you leave some plants behind for the next generation. I've already selected some flowers and had them pressed inside this book with a couple of books on top for a few days. I'm pretty fond of this shape of bookmark. You can get creative and do any other shape that you want as well. Or maybe you don't even want to do a bookmark, you could do a photo frame, a keychain, you name it. It's up to your imagination. So you normally start with a regular piece of paper and fold it in half. That, then it's decoration time, my favorite part. And you can decorate with whichever flowers you find around. I think I'm gonna choose this one. There you have it, Junior Rangers, some beautiful, one-of-a-kind homemade feignboss or flower bookmarks that'll be perfect for any friend or family member. Well, have fun crafting your own bookmarks. Until next time.